What you see on the board here is the beginnings of a geometric sequence. In a geometric sequence, to get from one term to the next term, you always multiply by the same number. So if you look at this guy, you guys probably figured this out already. To go from 4 to 12, I'd multiply by 3. To go from 12 to 36, I would also multiply by 3. So I've established a pattern here. If I multiply 36 by 3, the next number ought to be 108. Now if we look at any three terms, 4, 12, 36, 108 are terms in a geometric sequence. The term in the middle of those three is called the geometric mean. So if I look at these three, the first three I already had, 4, 12, and 36, we would say that 12 is the geometric mean. Which from now on, we'll be writing it so much in the following videos that we're just going to abbreviate it GM. 12 is the geometric mean between 4 and 36. Now, we're going to give you another definition of geometric mean, but that shows you where it comes from. Our definition is going to say this. M, so this will be the definition of geometric mean. M is the geometric mean between two positive numbers A and B if A over M equals M over B. Now, we'll use this to demonstrate that 12 was the geometric mean between 4 and 36. So, suppose that we ask this question. Find the geometric mean between 4 and 36. Well, we know what the answer is going to be. It's going to be this 12, but let's see how we could find it if we didn't know it already. Let's let M stand for the geometric mean. In that case, it has to satisfy this definition. That would give us that 4 over M equals M over 36. We'll cross multiply. M squared equals 4 times 36, which is 144. That means that M is equal to the square root of 144, and here's that number 12 that we knew had to be the answer. Okay, let's show a second example of using this definition of geometric mean. This time we'll know the geometric mean and we'll be wanting to find one of the other two numbers. We'll leave the definition down here again. Okay, so in this one, we're going to say that 20 is the geometric mean between 4 and what number? Well, to get going, we'll need a variable. Let's let x stand for the number. X equals the number. And then we're going to use the definition of geometric mean again. The definition says M is the geometric mean between two positive numbers, A and B, if A over M equals M over B. This time the geometric mean is my 20, that's my M. So it's the one that's going to fill in these two spots. So we're going to have 4 over the geometric mean 20 is equal to 20 over the other number, x. Okay, we cross multiply, so this will be 4x equals 20 times 20, which is 400. Divide by 4, x is 100. So sometimes you know the geometric mean, and you'll be solving for one of the other numbers. Sometimes you want the geometric mean. But in either case, you use the same proportion, the same definition, which I erased, but it was this. It was a over m equals m over b, where m is the geometric mean. M might be a variable, m might be a number, but it sits in exactly the same place in the proportion.